Hello traders and investors. This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. In this video, I will give you immediate price targets for continuation, but I will also give you my cycle top prediction or evaluation. If you will like this video and you want me to do the same for other altcoins, especially Ethereum and BNB, let me know in the comments. Before I begin, I want to say that for the purpose of this video, I'm assuming that the correction is over. I'm not only assuming it, I think so, but everything is possible in life, okay? Especially in trading. As long as we didn't break out of the range, we are still in the range. That's not me covering my ass. That is simply the reality of trading. Nothing you can do about it, okay? Now, let's go first for the immediate targets. I will give you a few targets, but all of these targets point to a certain direction. And after that, I will give you my cycle targets and I will explain how I reconcile the difference between my cycle targets and my immediate targets. You will understand everything in a second, okay? First is the measured move. We have, when trading ranges, we have a rule of thumb that once an asset breaks out of the range, you can expect a move, a measured move, meaning the same measure of the range as the next move, the next high. Here we have a range of approximately 12K, between 60K to 72K. So if you add 12K to 72K, it gets you to 84K. This is the first target. The second target also involves a measured move, but this one is more generous because we are taking the measured move from the previous correction to the high and we pin it to the breakout point. Okay, the bottom of the previous correction was at 50K, 50 and a half. We measure the move to the high and we pin it to the breakout. This is more generous. It gets us to almost 95K. It's a possible. It's completely reasonable. Okay. Now, for the next two targets, I want to explain how I view Bitcoin or how I count Bitcoin's waves. I'm not primarily an Elliott wave analyst, but I dabble in Elliott waves. Look at the comments because we have a friend of the channel, John Parker, who is an Elliott wave specialist, and he sometimes uh, comments on my counts. He is truly an ace in Elliott waves. So look out at the comments. And John, if you are listening to this video, please, I'm expecting, hoping more accurately, I'm hoping for your input. Okay, so according to my count, on November of 2022, we had the low. On April of 2023, we made the wave one high. We entered a complex correction until August of 2023. This here on March was the wave 3. I'm hoping and I also believe that 60K, almost 60K, was the wave 4 correction. And according to that, we have a final fifth wave to the upside. Now we need to estimate what's the wave 5 target. According to this, there are two ways to estimate a wave 5 target. The first one involves taking a Fibonacci extension from wave 1 to wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4, and the 0.618 is the target, which puts us at 95K, not too shabby. Worst case scenario, the 0.5 extension at almost 89K. Not too bad as well. The second method involves measuring the wave 1 and taking the measurement of wave 1 from the bottom of wave 4, this target is a bit more pessimistic because it only gets us slightly above the previous high to 75K before entering a prolonged correction. Do I think it is likely? No. But it's a possibility that I will be looking out for. And of course, if this will happen, I will let you know. But at the moment, I don't think that we are through yet. I don't think we are finished. I think that we are going to 89 to 95K. Now, I want to go over to my cycle top prediction. And for my cycle top prediction, I'm using my Gann angles, especially of all the angles. The orange angle is the one that suits best in my opinion. I think that the price is obeying this angle perfectly. And since we are above this angle, the next angle gets us to around a 140, 150K. Now, you must be asking, if you said that the wave 5 top gets us to, let's say, 95K max, how will we reach 100 or 140 or 150K? And I will explain. According to my count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 gets us to, let's say, 95K. It is possible that after that we will get one more extension, meaning a wave 4 and a wave 5. And in that case, we will make it to my target of around 150K at around September or October of 2025. Now, am I sure that we will get this extension? No, I'm not. But if Bitcoin will perform the same way that it performed in previous cycles, yes, then in that case it is possible, or even more than possible, it is likely. Now you are asking, okay, so it could be that 95K would be the top of the cycle, and it could be that 150K will be the top of the cycle. What will we do? Okay, in that case, I will tell you, let the chart show us the way. Meaning, we don't sell before we confirm that the trend has shifted, and we don't buy before we confirm that the trend has shifted. Meaning, I'm expecting Bitcoin to move up right now, and I will watch and wait, let's say between 88K and 95K, to see if Bitcoin is exhausted and overextended. If this will be the case, then I will take profits and possibly enter a short correction and expect a prolonged correction which will take us the rest of the year, probably until October of 2024. In that case, Bitcoin will most probably hit the orange angle, this angle, okay? And this will be the moment of truth, okay? By then, I will most probably take profit, the majority of the profit, and I will watch in October of 2024 for either a bear market rally, which will not make it to the high, or an extension, a wave 5 extension, and in that case, it could easily take us to 150K. We are navigating uncharted waters. You should understand that. We are at price discovery, right? Not right now, but we will be. And all bets are off. Things could be wildly more than I expect, or it could be worse than my expectations, but we will let the charts show us the way. We are not helpless. We have the charts, and the charts will show us the truth of the move. I will give you my opinion without without covering myself, with absolute honesty, and God willing, we will find the true direction of Bitcoin. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.